Hi, this is Barry Grossman. I hope you join me this fall, October 11th through the 16th. I'm going to be hosting my 7th annual Interior and Architecture Photography Workshop. We are really excited this year, and we are going to have an amazing group of photographers joining us. I hope you take a few minutes, click on the link in the description. If you have any questions, don't ever hesitate to reach out to me personally. We are going to have the amazing crew from Capture Integration joining us and supplying us all with incredible camera and lighting equipment for a wonderful week of exploration, inspiration, and collaboration. I look forward to meeting you, and I look forward to working with you.